I still like to keep it classy. The recipe to be Vanity Milan is sugar, spice, and everything nice. I just give a lot of flavor when it comes to my performances. I'm from Jamaica, this is what you're gonna get. And if you don't like it, you can go... Can't put that on the BBC, can I? Can I? I'm nice, but I'm honest. I'm not a diva, I'm not a hun, I'm just real. I'm serving unapologetic blackness. I'm gonna throw it down. We're gonna catch some twerking, hair flips, splits, kicks, dips, trips. It's definitely better than sex. I just go, 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 woo! And it gets better and better and better and better and better. Just like, oh girl, we're gonna have a good old time.
She could be great. She could be a major star. She is a star, Julie. The biggest star in the universe right now as we speak. Those who love the set, the director's got all kinds of things. The director's hot, he's hip, he's here. He's gonna be doing all kinds of things. He's gonna change the color of the set. I like he's got a great idea for a bloomer.
Change anything, George.
He touches one thing, he's gone. I swear, he's history.
I wanna meet her.
You got it, anytime, name the place, name anywhere, any street, you got it.
Now.
Miss Malone was cute and that, but they ain't ready for this one. Bring it back.